Lakwade has been giving you gifts.
Your bathing water is ready.
There's a mother-in-law and to learn new ways of doing things. Look at him.
You have 5 seconds, please. You are.
Reason, don't shout. Lauti, help me put this down. I want you to see something. What is it? Sit down and keep doing your work. But put your eyes on the road beside Alayode's house. What is it? Awero, Arike's daughter, who is getting married 2 weeks from now, is coming along that road. I want you to look at her very well. Look at her well and tell me, there she comes. Look at the way she moves her body, the way she walks. Look with your inner eyes. Isn't that movement strange for a girl her age? A yet-to-be-married girl.
Iyalakpe, what exactly are you trying to say?
I'm not trying to say anything. All I know is that I've been looking at that girl since 2 weeks ago. 3 of us sat here when Abike told us that we should look at the way Awero is walking. Do you remember?
Yes, I remember. But it was you who said... You said she was walking like that because she has the weight of her coming marriage on her mind.
Well, I've looked at her again many times since then. And I'm afraid at what I've been saying, Lauti. Look at the roll of her buttocks, the swing of her hips. Like a woman who had had some knowledge of the world.
Iyalakpe, how can you say this?
Keep your voice down. It's what I see and think. And I've not told anyone else.
In fact, you had better not. Iyalakpe, please don't say this to anyone else. In fact, just stop thinking about it, or you want people to call you a witch.
It is well. Call me a witch. It was my mistake. I thought we were friends.
Iyalakpe, listen to me. Iyalakpe, listen to me.
Let me get my other basket.
Iyalakpe.
I'll tell you where Dauda is, but only on one condition. You promise me that you will not allow Iyashake to hear about this. That you will not even allow anybody to hear it in this place. You know this place is a very small place. And once anybody hear it, Iyashake will hear about it eventually.
I promise you, sister, I won't tell anyone.
Dauda is in prison.
Prison?
Don't shout. He was caught 2 months ago and I think he's going to be there for the next 3 years. He was caught by the police with some boys in the city buying and smoking Indian hemp. And you know what that means.
Yes, I know what it is. Dauda has killed me.
What happened? Did he collect money from you?
Yeah, nothing.
Did he collect money to buy city good for your wedding?
I am suffered.
Awero, tell me what happened.
Abigail, you now have friends in the village.
Yes.
How are you, my dear? Good evening. Our beautiful bride-to-be. How's your mother?
She's fine. Yeah. Sister, bye-bye. All right, bye-bye. Me? A party? I thought nobody likes me in this village. Nobody speak with me except you and Mama Lakwe.
That was before what you did at Sagbe Market. It was the only talk at the palm oil pit today. How you turned Obinti, the government official, to a toothless dog. Abigail, if I tell you that no one has seen in this village a woman talk to a man the way you did, I'll be lying. Everybody is proud of you. Even the men. You know, our men hate government officials. So they hate them and they are always afraid of them. But that you, a woman, can make them look so stupid. I'm sure. When next you come with the government school talk, the elders will treat you like a queen.
Well, that's very nice to hear. Ashake? Ashake?
Ashake. Are you leaving?
Oh my God. It's alright, eh? Don't worry. When next I'm coming, I'll bring something for you, okay? Now wipe your tears and stop crying, okay?
Let me show you something. Okay. You are just coming. Adedara, this is not good enough. Your sister's wedding ceremony, and you are just coming by now. You the eldest child of the family.
But Iyashake, it is not my fault. My husband, he's a kola-nut trader. He just came home last night.
It is well then, if it was your husband's work that caused it. But everybody was worried. Your sister, Molara, and her husband's people, they came yesterday.
Tell me, what did they bring? How many baskets of yams? How many goats?
Trust. Molara came well prepared. Oh yes, at least I counted 3 baskets of yams. Oh yes, and your husband too brought 4 goats.
4 goats? Iyashake, did you see it?
And a dozen of full-grown fowl.
Okay, in that case, Iyashake, please help me take my husband's people to our house. Let me speak with my husband. Baba Modele, I told you.
What is it?
Iyashake just told me that Molara's husband brought 4 goats. Molara is my younger sister. I told you, but you said no.
That's right. You don't have to shout about it. I will go with some 3 boys to the nearest village and get some more goats. Take this one. Bibilari, Fakonle, and you, come here, come here. Give your nose to others and come here right now.
She was here a few minutes ago. She must have gone in for a change of dress.
Both of you, sit down.
What is it, Yami?
What I have been telling you since yesterday. Have you had time to talk to Awero at all?
No. I've been busy since cockerel. I've been seeing to the cooking. And Awero too has not been left alone. Everybody wants to play with her. And everybody wants to greet her.
Molara, what is it? Yami, is something wrong?
It's our sister. I have never seen a more unhappy looking bride on her own wedding. Yami told me she's been like that up to 2 months now.
Since her bride price was paid, even now she's lying on her bed with a high fever. I was hoping both of you would arrive together yesterday. If you, her sisters, talk to her.
Yami, it's alright. I think it's the normal fear. Can't you remember my own wedding? Even Molara here when she got married.
That is what I was trying to tell Mother last night. Have you forgotten that during my own wedding, I was in bed throughout a day before? I had headache, stomach ache, and I was vomiting all at once.
Yes. So much so that you had to send for the village herbalist to come and look at Molara here. Have you forgotten so soon?
I have not forgotten. I have not forgotten. But this one of Awero, this one.
It's all right, Yami. I know what she needs. What she needs is music. And we get some musicians to start playing music for her. Then we'll force her to dance.
Where are the boats? Let you treat me first.
I'm coming.
Olodumare, how do I live through this? Everybody sings songs of honor to me now. But by the end of this night, this very night at Agbade village, when the door of my shame will be open, Olodumare, their songs will change them. Their songs will change to laughter, curses, and abuses. Olodumare, why don't I simply fall and die now?
His mother sent for him some time ago.
I've come back since. What happened to your eyes, Ido? I passed by you right here to enter the house.
Look at this one. He's asking what has happened to my eyes. Do you know how many cups of palm wine that has gone into this head since the party started yesterday night?
Well, our brother hunters from Eligible village. They brought this for you.
Thank you, my brothers. Thank you. Thank you, my brother.
You deserve more than they brought, Odejimi. At the wedding of the son of Ameriwood, the whole village should eat bush meat until their stomachs say is enough.
I heard this is the first time a woman from Urita will be marrying into Agbede here.
That is true. It is the other way around. If you know how many of our become wives at Urita, then you would understand.
Odejimi, you must make us proud tonight when you enter into Awero's room. Odejimi, we the young men of this village have set our eyes on some girls from Awero's village.
Odejimi, our future lies in your hands.
You mean your future lies on its way?
So, Odejimi, when we lock you up tonight with Awero, you can start acting like a toothless tiger. Or you can act like an old male dog that can only bark but cannot bite.
Let someone tell this drunkard if he doesn't know. I am Odejimi, the true blood of Ogudele Ameriwolu. My teeth are very sharp. I can bark and I can also bite.
I know you have some experience, of course.
Some experience? You said that to a man who was married for 1 whole year? Odejimi doesn't have some experience. He has a lot of experience.
tell your friend to put on the Onjawu cloth before she comes out again. She's been wearing that one for too long.
Okay, yeah, we'll go and tell
Gibosa, you are a lucky man. Every father should live to see a day like this. See, even your two other daughters are fighting to see who does more honor to Awero.
Exactly. I thank you all. And I thank Olodumare for everything. But, Labuyi, between you and I, my mind is still not set.
Ajibosa, stop saying the same thing over and over and again. Eh? Have you become a woman? I told you.
Yeah, I know. But what can it mean? Even today, I have knocked this same left leg 2 times already. My people, we are not children. What coming of evil the owners of the earth trying to warn me about?
The gods are trying to tell you to put your mind at rest and put your eyes on the road
when we are walking.
What is the meaning of this, Awero? How can you tell your parents to stop the wedding now? You want to kill them?
Then is it better I die? Tell me, is it better I go into Jimmy's house and die 2 months or 3 months later?
You will not die, Awero. Jimmy's first wife did not die because he killed
Dionjao, quick, Awero.
Yama, what is this?
Don't shout. It's Awero. She wants to stop the wedding now.
Eh? Awero? Why?
She said the woman has just told her that Jimmy had killed one Emmy while hunting in the forest some years ago, and that's why his first wife died.
And you know, a hunter should not kill the Emmy. If he does, somebody close to him will die soon after.
I know it. I know I'm going to die soon after the wedding. Please, Peju, Ajitoni, Ayoka, Lakme, please help me talk to my mother. Tell them to cancel the wedding.
Please, keep your voice down.
Which senseless woman? Which woman would tell this to a girl on her wedding day?
But it is true, isn't it? It is true that Jimmy killed Emmy and his first wife died.
How do you know it's true? Eh? The stupid woman. Was she there in the forest on the day Jimmy killed the Emmy?
But Jimmy's wife died at childbirth.
Everybody knows that. But that is what Edumare gave to her as her own destiny. Awero, listen to me. That is not your destiny. How long will it take all of you to dress her up?
We are coming here.
Quick, Awero, quick. We will talk about this.